Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start with paired Airpods and the device unlocked. Make sure Bluetooth is active. Open the Google Assistant app on Android. You can also use settings. Once connected, check the Assistant shows the Airpods as an audio device so you can change behavior for that headset. This step ensures you modify the correct device profile, otherwise you'll change global settings instead of the AirPod-specific control. Now, move to Assistant device settings to stop activation from the headset. You'll find headphone controls under Assistant settings, then Devices or Headphones, select your AirPods. Turn off the option that routes Assistant to that Bluetooth device or disable microphone/Assistant access for that device. This prevents activation from taps or long presses. If you prefer a system-level change, open Android settings, right arrow apps, right arrow default apps, right arrow assist and voice input, and set none as the default assistant. Once done, test a tap on the AirPods to confirm Google Assistant no longer responds. Complete the process by testing your AirPods. Tap or hold the stem and listen. Google Assistant should not start. If it still activates, restart the phone, then unpair and repair the AirPods to refresh device profiles. Make sure the Assistant app permission for Bluetooth and microphone is set appropriately, and update both system and app to the latest versions. If problems persist, temporarily disable Hey Google Hot Word in Assistant settings as a fallback. This fixes most remaining activation issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.